Welcome back, folks. I love it. We're seeing green. A little bit of good news out there in terms of the markets. You're seeing support. A lot of money flowing around. M2 increasing. And of course, that leads to just prices going higher. Is there any other place for them to go? I know a lot of people wondering. Government shutdown. The SEC stalled. Where's my crypto gains? Mo, it was supposed to be October. It was not. Does that mean it's not going to be good in Thanksgiving? Is it not going to be good for Christmas? Folks, I think it's going to be glorious. I think it's going to be a good thing. So, welcome back. Hit the like button if you're with me in that optimistic view, because I am there, and I think we're going to see more, but we never know. And that's why we come back here for the daily updates. Check out the charts, check out the technicals, and I have been busy. I've been loading up. I did a massive amount of 6-digit moves today. You're going to get to see them too. If you're not in the Discord, I don't know what you're waiting for. Tons of option plays released today. Big moves released today. And we're just getting started. Remember, I'm trying to take my portfolio from $2 million to $10 million in the next 5 years. I don't know if I'll be able to do it, but you get to be a part of it. Click the first link down below. Once you do, you'll be brought over here. Boom! 50% off is back for the first month. Folks, this is a limited time. You get to get in there for literally under $1 a day to be a part of I would say, the #1 Discord out there in terms of value packed in there. It is next level stuff. If you want to save 20% off of the annual membership, hit that. But it should be automatic to save that 50% off for a limited time. Get in there before this is gone. Oh, this is a good place to be. Second thing down below is we got this set up. I think if I update this, we should have the times ready to go. Yes, it is. The webinar to learn how to learn the technicals by yours truly, a national champion coach/teacher. Second link down below, no cost. Get in there. All right, let's go ahead and talk portfolio. Let's see how it is. Let's up. Oh, nice. I started this video getting ready. It was at 25,000. Let's see where we're at. 29,000. That's nice. I get ready for the video. We'll make $4,000. All right. Don't look at this and say, oh, he's down 34. We're not. We're not. You guys know I locked up 100,000 with the crypto platforms. I sold all that. We started at 2231. So we're up 111,000 here. So it's about 211. I lost a little bit on some leverage plays. So not too bad. 200, we'll say 200 roughly. A little, maybe a little under that. Yeah, so we got a lot of moves. I think it was slightly under 200,000. I have to check the portfolios. But not bad. Not bad for all this so far. We could, remember I was up almost $400,000 in the last 12 weeks live in front of you. Now it's about 200,000, give or take a little bit. Not bad. Not bad. Because why? This is why. Because if you look at these numbers, oh my goodness, they are not the best. 21% down for XRP. Bitcoin, Ethereum, EZET, which is Ethereum, Solana, getting crushed. Getting crushed. Bitcoin's holding up the best, of course. But even that, as you can see, down. A lot of moves made. I will tell you this. For those in the stocks, I got a couple plays. I'm going with BETR, normal position, 80-something thousand drop today on that. And for those who followed along with my Alibaba play, we're up 50%. That is a quick amount of $25,000 live in front of you here on YouTube. I did some smaller value plays I wanted to put in there and follow along. I did one big play, YumC, as you guys can see. We got SoFi in there, a couple, any of the bigger ones, and LHX is a big one, 17,000 there. Yeah, so if you guys have been following along, you're going to see some. We made about $8,000 there, 21,000 over. Hey, that's not bad. That's not bad. 21,000 with the crypto, and of course, we got a lot of different plays in here. I sold about 100,000 worth of T-bill to get the cash back up, and because I was down to just a little bit because I did some buys. So there you go, the update there. Like I said, get in the Discord today. Take advantage of it. Join thousands of others. It is absolutely the best value, bar none. And I've seen them all, trust me, that you're going to get out there. All right. let's go ahead and talk. Let's go into the charts first. So I'm watching this. All right, we're going to go in and take a look at XRP. Take a look at XRP. Go into the crypto, go to Coinbase, boom. So as you guys know, we have a decent candle. Got a decent candle today. Got a green candle. Not a great candle, got a green candle. This is the line that I'm still watching for. $2.29. We confirm below there, I think we're going to dip pretty hard. If we stay above there, I think we could absolutely rally. What I'm watching for is the 5 to take out the 13. And then, folks, get excited. I'm probably loading up. I made up my mind that I want to get aggressive with this crypto. In other words, with this cobweb right in front of me, I'm not done buying. I've decided that I want to take some chances. So for those who are in, for those that are in here watching me on the Discord, get excited. We have a lot of big moves coming. I decided that I'm actually going to increase my crypto exposure. But that doesn't mean that I won't sell. And there's a lot to look at for that. I also wanted to make sure everybody was brought up to awareness that we added a new section in the Discord. And this is a big one. This is market intel. And so when you guys come in here, the crypto intel automatically updates. This is a brand new feature we brought in. You don't have to go looking for the best information out there. We brought it to you in the Discord. We automatically flood the Discord with the top information from the top people out there. You can see a lot of information will come through. They're going to be different leaders in the industry. You're going to see different information coming through. There's a lot. Yeah, there is a lot that will go through, and things you're going to want to know why. And so this is it. Like breaking, Coinbase CEO Armstrong reveals momentum for U.S. crypto laws is at an all-time high because they were down there today. So I got to read all about everything that's going on. Tons and tons and tons of information coming through. They follow the different wallets, all right? Wallets, and you can, it'll drop it all in here for you. Same thing with stocks. You're going to have tons of information about different stocks, stock intel. The economic intel, there's people we're following there. It's going to bring it in here and flood it. Fed Reserve, all this and more. News stream, where you're going to be able to get the news coming through. Folks, this is it. This is the newest feature that we brought in. And while you can join the Discord at the cheaper price. All right. Let's go back and take a look at what I'm watching. Now, I told you what I'm going to do. And I want this to look like a head and shoulders, an inverse head and shoulders. I want this to be the left shoulder, the head. I want the right shoulder to form, and I want to come up here, have the 5 cross. If that happens, I am loading the boat. I am going to be taking big time risk. And I'm talking leverage risk, and of course in this portfolio, I will be just doing the normal purchasing. There's no leveraging in this one. This is my retirement account. And so I just do everything minus TMF. I know you're going to say, TMS 3 times leverage. I know. But for the most part, you're going to see normal plays. More stocks coming to you as well. So there you go. Let's go ahead and continue on, taking a look back to the XRP. So that's good. We got a good thing. You can see the daily on this support right here held. We confirmed below there, which I got to be blunt, would have made me think that this is it. We're gonna dip, but we held right here on this support. It did it. It held and pushed back up. Now we're coming down, getting higher low. If we can get up and break this line right here, and I'll put it, if we get a candle that finishes right above there, I am going to be absolutely stoked. And I believe we're going to start running in a serious manner. I think October's almost over. It's been ugly. A lot of pain. Just hold your nose, get through it. We're not done, folks. But when that 5 crosses that 13, get really excited. Go over and take a look at Ethereum. Let's just go through the big 4 real quick. Make sure everybody's up to date. Same situation. All right. Got the left shoulder. Got the head here. Kind of was forming. Then we just had a retest. We definitely need to push back above 36.79 to feel good. We're not there yet. We're not there, or not 36. What do we got? 38.70 roughly. We'll say 38.80. Get back above 38.80, then I'll feel all warm and fuzzy. Get the 5 crossing the 13. Look out 2 times leverage for me. And that's what I'm looking at for that. Go to Bitcoin. Let's check out Bitcoin. Bitcoin's doing what Bitcoin does, leading the way. You got a new lower low over here. It wasn't good. And we are starting to move slightly higher. A new higher low right here. Then we got a new lower low. Now we're starting to move back up. Look what the 5's doing. 5 is getting aggressively close to the 13. Cross that, which I think we will. I think we're going to go back above. The main resistance is right here. This is 110.7. We got to take that out with a closing candle. The 5 will then eventually cross the 13. And last time we had that happen right here, look where we went. 113 all the way up to 126. $13,000 increase. I think we can repeat that kind of gain. So let's go ahead and see that happen. Get over to Solana. Woo, not the one I want. Go over to Solana. Solana. Boom. Same situation. Aggressive candle. Got to push back up to 199. Got to get up to that $200 mark. The 5 will cross the 13. Then we can start battling the 50 EMA. Folks, I'm pumped. I think we're going to have some good things happening. Stay tuned. We're just beginning. We just beginning is what I'm trying to say. And I think we're going to be able to make a decent amount if we can get these reversals with the 5 and the 13, which we're getting close. Finally, we're getting close. Like I said, first link down below, get in there. I'm going to be live stream trading tomorrow. It's a rare Friday, 2 o'clock. Get in here with me. It's going to be fun. The only people who can watch is just the earner tier. So if you're in the earner tier, you're good. If you're not, right there it is, 50% off. Click that link, get in there. And the other thing, make sure you take advantage of the 4-step framework. Learn how to learn the technicals from me. There's no cost. Get in here as well. All right, folks, that's the update. I appreciate you stopping by. I'll see you in the Discord. Be sure to like and subscribe. Now let's get out there and make some money.